This is day one of the beginning of our fence installation. The majority of the fence will be the wood fence, but I did not want the side of our patio closed in. I wanted to be able to still view the street. So this is why I opted for the black fencing on just the side area right here. And because the fence will be installed on this hill, they're going to set the posts and let them set up for at least a couple of days before they finish. So our fencing is complete and I feel so much better. Shout out to Lowe's Hardware. They did a phenomenal job. I am so pleased with the outcome. I mentioned to my husband about cutting those Leland cypress trees. I think that's what they're called, down, because several of them are gone, but he's just not wanting to do it right now. Hopefully we may eventually cut down a few of these right here. But in the meantime, Lowe's did a fantastic job. This is the dirt from where they dug the post holes. So I told them to keep the dirt because we would need it. You working hard, honey? Yeah. It's hot out here too. And we did the double gate over here. And originally we wanted the gate right here at the end of the house to come across here. So we wanted it to connect here, here, and go over here. But we realized our neighbors up here have 2 pit bulls, and after I was attacked, I said if our gate is here, then it would be easy for their dog to jump down over the fence inside our gate, and I just didn't feel comfortable. So my husband is not too crazy about it, but at the end of the day, he says it's about me feeling safe. And I got this today from Lowe's. What is it called? Here it is. It's red fountain grass. So I just wanted to kind of experiment with that. I think they're really pretty, and I really like the purple. And oh, wait a minute, let me show you over here where I put our rose bushes. See the apple tree? We have apple trees and plum trees. The contractors that were here working, they had a good time eating fruit, so they were able to have some good snacks. Okay, these are the rose bushes that I put back down in the ground, and I'm using the paper to prevent weeds. I'm going to lay a few more layers of paper down here, and we went and picked up some bag of mulch today. So we're going to fix that area too. But anywho, aside from the patio and the fence, it needs some work done out here, so that's what we're going to spend our Saturday afternoon doing.